G'day, I'm Trent Taylor, or TT, as you know me by. I just want to share with you something that's really been going through my mind, and that is living a life of authenticity, which is one of my core values, and it's really, the way I define it is choosing what's truly important. And I've received some feedback from a very good friend of mine, someone that I really love and respect. He was a client of mine. He's one of the most passionate guys, an absolute superstar in the hot rod game, an amazing boilermaker, an amazing family man, and he's someone that I want to work with, or want to work with people like him. And I said, mate, how do I attract or connect with people like you? Because I think you're amazing. And he says, well, the first thing you should do is lose the akubra. And I go, wow, why? And he goes, well, you're a gun business coach. Like, you've helped our family phenomenally. You really know your stuff, but wearing your akubra, it just doesn't line up. You look like a bloody farmer, not a business coach. And, it doesn't represent who you are. And it was wonderful advice, and I so appreciate his honesty and vulnerability in sharing that. And I've sat with it, and I initially opposed it, but I just thought it's worth, if you're going to ask for feedback, it's a good idea to actually take it in and absorb it. And what I've come out of it from is that I'm going to keep wearing the akubra, and the akubra is me. One of my core values is authenticity. And authenticity, to me, is defined as being true to oneself. And to me, the akubra is a representation of freedom. I just love it. I just bloody feel good in it, And, people say, well, that's fine. Wear it in your social life, But I go, but it's who I am. I don't want to be somebody I'm not. I've worn the suits. I've worked in the corporate offices. I'm in boardrooms all the time. I speak at conferences. Is me wearing a akubra take away how much I care? Does it take away what I know? I don't think so. And then I go, well, is it actually about other people, or is it about me? When I wear my akubra, I feel bloody awesome. I just love it. And I probably wear it in inappropriate times, I'm sure. But really, who cares? Who cares what other people think? I remember being given the advice that what other people think of you is none of your business. And for me, the akubra makes my heart sing. I come from my heart because I feel in my heart. I've lived too many years being a chameleon. Trying to mould into who I need to be. Getting that sort of car because then the clients will think that I'm affluent or whatever it may be. And it's just a load of shit. I don't need a suit for you to think I'm intelligent or that I can help you. To me, I just feel I need to be real. And I'm a proud Australian. This akubra is who I am. I live on a farm. I'm not a farmer's arsehole, but I love it. I don't wear it so that I look like a farmer. I wear it because I feel great. I'm being true to myself. I love the outdoors. I choose to do business outdoors. I want to work with real people who don't care about what I look like or what I wear, but where I come from in my heart. And for me, the akubra brings that out for me. And so hence I'm going to choose that. And, I remember a great coach, a friend of mine, Benny Futrell, and g'day if you're listening, mate. He was doing a presentation teaching coaches how to learn how to present. And he said when he presents, he always wears these $100 pair of socks. $100? Where the friggin' hell do you buy a $100 pair of socks? But he wore those because for him, if you wear a $100 pair of socks, you're going to have to perform like someone who can afford to wear a $100 pair of socks. And it was just a symbol or a representation for him to step into his higher being, to step into his true power and value. And I think it was really great advice, and I can understand where he's coming from a lot more now. And for me, I can give you all the strategies and techniques under the planet, but when I give you my heart and you hear it and it resonates with your heart, it just leaves a much more sincere and deep, impact. And I think that that's more important. So, I just want to share this with you because it's been going through my mind, and I needed to get it off my chest. And it's made me think about, for you, what is it that you don't do, or what is it that you don't wear that is something that you love to do or wear, but you don't do it because it doesn't fit your profile, or the box that everyone puts you in, or the career that you're in, but it makes you feel amazing. And what would it look like if you actually just wore what you wanted to wear, or if you just did what you wanted to do, that made your heart sing, that made you feel amazing? What would happen in life? What I'm finding is, life's going fantastic, and it's getting better and better and better because I'm finding the courage to be who I am. And I think, I don't think, I actually know it'll be the same for you. It's the same for everybody. It takes courage to be authentic, and it's a game I want to play. And sometimes I struggle with it, and then I just look at my children and go, well, is that the model that I should be demonstrating as a father? I've chose to have children, so let's be authentic, because that's who I want them to be. And for things to change, I must change. So authenticity, being true to oneself. For me, it's the Akubra. And the question is, should I keep wearing it? Does it put you off? And what is it that you should be doing? And what is it that you should be wearing? And what is it that how do you want to feel? So something to think about. But, I've made the decision. I'm wearing it, and I feel great. So have an amazing Australia Day, and take care.